Mm, Good day everyone. I am Rodolfo Mercandito and today I will present my activity 2 for website redesign and video presentation. For this task, I choose to redesign the official website of Barangay Poblacion Pateros. This Here is the original website of Barangay Pateros. As you can see, the design looks outdated, then the layout is very plain. The navigation is not user friendly. Then the text were the text were structure and some important information is hard to see or notice. That's why I decided to redesign this website to make it more modern, organized, and visually appealing. Then go to Adobe. Then on page on this is the redesign of homepage. I placed the barangay logo in the center with with a welcome headline. Welcome to Barangay Poblacion Pateros. And below it, there's a short tagline that reflects the barangay service and care of the community. I also I also added a clear learn more button for easy navigation. Then the the about page, I added a title about our barangay and a short description that introduce Barangay Poblacion as the heart of Pateros to keep the content organized. I also included a read more button for extended details. Then a photo of the barangay hall was added for visual identity. Next is the services page. This Here is the services page. I display the main services of the barangay, such as barangay clearance and cedula. Each service has an image and label to make it more recognizable. The the design is simple, but it allows residents to quickly know the service available. Then lastly is the contact page. Um, Here I place the barangay address, telephone number, and Facebook page for quickly access. I also include a footer with a copyright and copyright. This ensures residents can easily reach out the barangay for assistance. Um, in my redesign, I improved the color scheme by using dark green. For dark green for consistency, I added a button for better navigation. Or then organize the content into a separate section and made the layout more modern and user friendly. This makes the website more professional, readable, and accessible for the community. That that the that concludes my presentation for activity 2 website redesign. Thank you for watching.